Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about the top 10 most expensive divorces of all time. Coming in at number 10, Russian businessman Dmitry Robolovlev and his wife Elena divorced in 2014 after 26 years of marriage. Something that's going to be a theme in this countdown is that they did not have a prenuptial agreement. The divorce settlement was estimated at over $600 million and included a $300 million Swiss chalet, an $88 million Greek island, and a $95 million New York penthouse. The number 9 all time largest divorce settlement belongs to Saudi Arabian businessman Adnan Khashoggi and his wife Soraya. They divorced in 1982 after 13 years of marriage. The divorce settlement was estimated to be $874 million. One of the big fights in the divorce was the extravagant spending of the parties, including a $30 million yacht. The number 8 largest divorce settlement of all time belongs to oil tycoon Harold Hamm and his wife Sue-Ann Arnall. They divorced in 2015 after 26 years of marriage. They did not have a prenuptial agreement, and although Sue-Ann contested the divorce settlement initially, she later accepted a settlement worth $974.8 million. Coming in at number 7 is the divorce between casino mogul Steve Wynn and his wife Elaine. They were married for 46 years but decided to call it quits in 2015. The Wynns become the first member of the $1 billion settlement club when Steve Wynn agreed to pay his ex-wife $1 billion. This included a $741 million stake in the Wynn resorts. Number 6, Formula One CEO Bernie Ecclestone and his wife Slavica divorced in 2010 after 23 years of marriage. They did not have a prenuptial agreement. As a result, Bernie shelled out $1.2 billion in his divorce settlement. This divorce settlement included a private jet and a yacht, as well as other non-liquid assets for his ex-wife. Starting the top 5 countdown is Rupert Murdoch and his second wife, Anna Maria. They divorced in 1999 after 32 years of marriage. Like many others on this list, they did not have a prenuptial agreement. Rupert Murdoch paid his ex-wife out $1.7 billion in the divorce settlement. She ended up getting most of the assets in the divorce. Coming in at number 4 is between Grammy Award-winning rapper Kanye West and his TV personality wife Kim Kardashian. Here the parties had to divide a $2.1 billion estate. Included in the divorce settlement was a $200,000 per month alimony payment from Kanye West to Kim Kardashian, and included lots of other assets that needed to be divided. This is one that you're probably familiar with because social media and the internet had all kinds of information about this highly public divorce. The number 3 most expensive divorce settlement of all time belongs to French-American businessman Alec Wildenstein and his wife Jocelyn. They divorced in 1999 after 21 years of marriage. Alec is reported to have paid Jocelyn $2.5 billion in the divorce settlement. This included $100 million in cash and other assets such as art and real estate. One of the big issues in their divorce was the millions of dollars Jocelyn reportedly spent on plastic surgery. Now we come down to the top 2 most expensive divorce settlements of all time. These are names that are going to be familiar to everyone. When we get to this point on the list, there are a lot of reports on the internet as to how much the actual divorce settlements were. At number 2 are Bill and Melinda Gates. The Microsoft co-founder and his wife of 27 years divorced in 2021. Unlike a lot of couples on this list, they did in fact have a prenuptial agreement. The actual terms of their divorce settlement have never been made public. Melinda reportedly received over $27 billion in the divorce settlement. This included at least another $2 billion in shares such as Coca-Cola and other companies. And now, the number 1 all-time most expensive divorce settlement of all time belongs to someone that everybody knows. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos and his wife Mackenzie Scott divorced in 2019 after 25 years of marriage. Unbelievably, Bezos never got a prenuptial agreement. As a result, as part of the divorce settlement, Mackenzie Scott received 25% of the couple's Amazon stock, which came to approximately $38 billion in value, making Mackenzie Scott one of the wealthiest people in the world after the divorce. The moral of the story is number one, choose your companion well, and number two, make sure you have a prenuptial agreement. Thanks for watching.